Friends, today we will check such a pressure switch, or water level sensor, which is used in washing machines in the site in Ariston. For testing, as usual, we take a tester, a syringe for 10 cubes and a hose, and start checking. Pull out the syringe until it stops. We put a hose on the sensor. We put the tester in the dial mode. The pressure switch is checked in 3 positions. 1. Position is empty tank. In this position, contacts 11 and 12 closed, and contacts 21 and 22 are closed. We displace air from the syringe until the first click. This is position 2, the tank is full. 11, 13 contacts are closed, and contacts 21 and 22 are also closed. Position number 3 is the overflow level. Now we displace the air completely until the second click. In this position 11 and 13 remain closed, and contacts 21 and 23 are also closed. If the contacts do not ring, this sensor is faulty. Verification can be considered successful. Thanks to all.